All right, I'm showing you guys here our new Zacklift truck that we got. It's a tri-axle. It's a 1995 International Eagle 9400. I'm going to do a little walk around here. I'll start with the frame fork holder. I had our fabricator mount a frame fork holder that's nice and convenient and accessible in the back. And then we put on some nice mud flap hanger lights and mud flap hangers, along with some new mud flaps. We put on some new rims with some chrome center caps. We put on Maximizer fenders. So those are really, really nice to have. It keeps all the dirt and everything from getting kicked up. We went to the Amish and we got stainless steel diamond plate to cover up where the chassis is. And then I got a toolbox, which I'm going to show you here in just a second, where I keep most of my tools. The back here, we keep just a lot of our axle chains. I'll show you guys here what I got. So we got axle chains and our regular chains. And this bin right here, I'm gonna step up here. And then over here, we got our quick connects. As you see, we got our quick connects, glad hands, pretty much all of our axle caps. And over here, I got just some binders and the extensions, all for the Zacklift. We put on a Whelen. I kind of wanted to get an amber and red light bar, but beggars can't be choosy, and that's the only light bar I had available at the time, so we did put that on. Now, to show you the toolbox. So this is the toolbox. Let me unlock it here. There's that. And here is the toolbox. So I keep our cage bolts and our pliers and so forth. And here, as you can see, dry shaft wrenches and so forth, standard and metric wrenches. And then what's really cool is you lift this up, and then I got more room here for sockets. I still have some more sockets that's on the way, and metric. That's my standard 3/4 inch. And then this just folds down, and then everything is nice, neat, and organized, which I really, really like. And then over here, I have our foldable cones, our axle straps, odds and ends of straps, extra fuses, latex gloves, another toolkit, a tow light on this side. And then let's walk over to the driver's side. And to the driver's side, we got a grinder, impact wrench, shovel. That's where I keep my remote, fire extinguisher, tow light. I got extra batteries, extra cutoff saws, pretty much everything in here that I need. But yeah, it's definitely, our guys work long and hard on it. There's the toolbox again. And then on this side, we also have another frame fork holder. I wanted 2 of them because you can never have enough frame forks. Something now that this truck does not have is it does not have a boom. So I cannot lift up a truck in order to gain height. So what I did is I took my starter forks out of the wrecker. I ordered another set for the wrecker because they're really nice to have. And I got starter forks for this truck. So that way I could slip my underlift under most trucks and at least get a pick on it in order to get blocks under the tires and do a repick. So I do have another frame fork holder on this side. And then we put in our emergency air line, our service air line, and then obviously our light for our tow light. We have our hose reel up here. So yeah, that is our truck. Like I say, I'm really looking forward to using it. I'm definitely going to have more YouTube videos on this truck, and I'm really excited to show you guys. So please leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And we'll see you on the next round. Have a good day, guys.